that's probably something I'm assuming that is a big misconception that you have to deal with, is that California is really expensive, therefore it is bad for investors, which is
Absolutely.
obviously not true. Okay, fine. And then obviously each location will have its own benefits, but the benefit of California is that it's just kind of immediate. You can hit the ground running.
Correct.
Okay, so you're open to cold calling. You're already calling for 3 hours a day. That's absolutely massive, and it makes your life of making money a lot easier. Who are you cold calling? Are you following a script? What does that look like?
Right now, we're doing expireds. Personally, I am not very good at following a script. I try to stay within the general guidelines of a script, but at this point, I can't say that I'm following it word for word like some other people that I listen to.
I'm actually not into scripts either as much as I'm into frameworks.
I appreciate that. I work the same way.
Okay, so let's look at it from a framework perspective then. So I have no problem with you following a framework instead of a script. What does that framework look like then?
So, generally, my first question, instead of asking if they're still looking to sell, going through the whole expired, because most sellers, they know their listing was expired. They were there for it. So my general approach is, are you still interested in receiving an offer, and what kind of offer would make you willing to sell your home? And it's more so about bringing value and not wasting any time. They understand the general process once the home is listed and how that worked. And so my job is to bring them something tangible that they can realistically wrap their heads around, what kind of market they're looking at, versus just putting it on the market, be it overpriced, which is generally why homes don't sell. Giving them some sort of structure and an idea on what is realistic when listing your home.
So how does that conversation go? Like I can imagine, let's say if I've already been jaded before and you're gonna say, and I actually love the approach, just like simple, no BS, just listen, are you still interested in an offer if it was right? Well, what does that look like? I don't know. I'm kind of asking you right now. Like if I give you a blank check, what number would you put there? I like that approach. What's their response to it?
So generally, I try to avoid the price conversation altogether. When I work on structuring an offer, it's focusing more on what their goals were when they were moving. So, it would be something along the lines of, hey, are you still interested in receiving an offer? Your home was previously listed. Why do you think that it didn't sell? What is important to you outside of price? Where were you looking to move? Are there things that you need? Like, is a credit important to you? Are you just looking to get cash fast? There's different scenarios that can help sellers that sometimes they don't think about when listing a home. They set a price and they're just so focused on that price, when in reality that might be the least important thing to them.